In this video, we will review how to install and test the point-of-sale interface for a FUELINK5 setup. If a point-of-sale interface kit was included with the order, connect the pins to the adapter if using, and then connect the cable between the point-of-sale system and the point-of-sale jack on the FUELINK5 controller. Refer to the FUELINK5 point-of-sale interface guide provided with the interface kit. Once connected, log into the FUELINK5 controller user interface and then navigate to Configuration, Product Names, and select the protocol from the Point of Sale Type drop-down list. Enter the parameters to map the product names to the point of sale prices. Make note that some point of sale types will automatically configure the point of sale parameters. If the selected point of sale type cannot send cash credit pricing for the same product, you can configure two identical products, but with a point of sale offset on the duplicate. Refer to the documentation provided with the specific point of sale interface for more information. Once finished, save the configuration. Lastly, instruct the customer to send a price update from the point of sale, and then go look at the displays to verify the prices were correctly updated. Be sure to revert back to correct prices in a timely manner. Next is testing the point of sale options. To locate these options, you can navigate to the Diagnostics menu within the FUELINK5 controller interface. The first option is the Point of Sale Monitoring. This view shows the data received on the point of sale port and is useful for troubleshooting point of sale. The other option is the 232 port loopback. For this test, you will first short pins 2 and 3 on the point of sale jack, and then select to run the test to check the RS-232 operation. And that wraps up installing and testing the point of sale interface with the FUELINK5 setup.